I'm Chef Alina Z, and we are at one of my favorite restaurants called Little Ruby Cafe. They have 2 locations around the country, and it's an Australian bistro which has like food like pasta and burgers, bowls, salads. We're not gonna have a salad today. And they have brekkie, breakfast. We're gonna have bread. I'm gonna show you what kind of bread to have. They have seriously the best avocado toast ever. It's orgasmic, it's so good. And we're gonna have a burger, and we're gonna have some yummy lattes. But if you live in LA or New York, or I think Australia, you can come in and check it out. Okay, let's see how to eat here. Alright, so I ordered all this food. Now, full disclosure, I would not order everything at the same time, probably. But it's a great way, like we're having friends here, so we're gonna share everything. And the fries are hot. I'm gonna have one. Really good. Okay, so here's my Alina Z, my Z tip, my Z tutorial on how to eat at a regular restaurant. That's not plant-based, but if you want to eat plant-based, for example. So, breakfast, you can have a latte. You can try this. Really good. It has a lot of turmeric. Turmeric is a fantastic anti-inflammatory herb. If you don't feel like having a hot beverage, if you're feeling like it's hot outside and you want to cool down, a green smoothie. It's really, really yummy. Usually you can make your own with blended bananas, some berries if you want, but if you want to stay with a green color, just bananas, kale, some of your favorite, like almond milk with vanilla, ice, or frozen bananas. It is so good. If you get so lucky, and a lot of times I'll check the menu, you get to try a chia porridge. So this is, it looks awesome, doesn't it? This is for breakfast. It is so good. I'll show you how to make chia. Chia is a seed that is rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids and rich in fiber and protein. It's a health food. It doesn't taste like anything. So the cool thing about it is you can make it taste like whatever you want. This one has milk. It's plant-based milk and yogurt. And I'll show you how to make your own, like I said. And some granola, some jam, and some berries. There's some fresh blueberries here, raspberries. You can make it your own. I feel like chia is like the little black dress kind of thing. You just dress it up, you accessorize it the way you want it, so it's gonna taste the way you like it. Like whatever fruit, whatever berries, whatever seeds, nuts, make it your own, and you can add it to an oatmeal if you want. Just makes everything be like having more volume, and it's gonna keep you fuller longer. And cool fun fact, if you have chia seeds in the morning or afternoon, it helps with brain power. So you're not gonna feel lethargic, and you're not gonna have brain fog. So yeah, cheers to your health. I'm gonna have another one just to make sure it's really good. It really is good. I have a lot of tasting to do here for you guys. I have a really hard job. So let me introduce you to my close friend, avocado toast. And there's a lot of hype about avocado toast, and here's why. Avocado has a lot of fat. And who doesn't like fat? Like we all like butter, like toast and butter, right? I mean, bread and butter is seriously like one of the best dinners I've ever had. It's just bread and butter. But not everybody can have butter, and butter does have cholesterol, but avocado doesn't. It has potassium, so actually it can help you de-bloat, and has fiber. And together on a toast, it's freaking yummy. So it just tastes really, really good. Like soft bread and crust. But you're not gonna just like slather avocado just on the bread. You're gonna put avocado, some olive oil, and then some salt, lemon, because you want to have the acidity and the salt, and then accessorize it with some radishes for crunch. This is a watermelon radish. I think it's super pretty. Like, look how pretty this is. And don't you just want to eat like pretty food? And you know, I talk about food and relationships a lot, and I look at it like, for example, like this avocado toast, for example, loves me back. We have a really good loving relationship because it's good for, you know, like I said, potassium. It's good for the kidneys. It's filling. It is making me feel grounded. It's like a really good relationship. But I do have a one-night stand once in a while with like a cheesecake or a brownie and ice cream, and not even gluten-free. But I'll do organic only, and I'll do, you know, humanely raised milk from humanely raised cows, or better yet, I'll show you plant-based ice cream and brownie in another segment. But like those are the foods, you know, you can have like one-night stands once in a while. Next, lunch or dinner. Another best friend of mine is the Beyond Burger. And this burger does have cheese. You can opt for plant-based cheese. This is made with pea protein. They even have it at like Fridays across the country. So the cool thing about Beyond Meat is that it has zero cholesterol, has more protein than beef. Nobody got hurt making it, and it loves you back because it doesn't weigh you down. Meat takes like 24 to 48 hours to process. This actually gives you energy because it has the protein to give the stamina, but does not require the digestive process as meat does. And look how awesome it looks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in because this is awesome. But I'm gonna take you guys back to my place. I know, it's not our first video, but I'm taking you to my place already. And I'm gonna show you how to make a chia pudding. I'm gonna dig in right now, but I'll see you in a couple seconds in the virtual time, in your time, in the video time. But yeah, I'll see you soon. So we're gonna make something from my book, Singly Hungry. We're gonna make a chia pudding, and it's super, super easy. So these are chia seeds. They're these tiny little seeds. And they are rich in omega-3s, but most importantly, they are, because they're seeds, they're mostly fat, and it's really good for your brain power. So if you are having a stressful day ahead and you need to be always like thinking and having a sharp mind, this is a great breakfast. So you take a heart-shaped, because this food loves you back, heart-shaped 1/3 of a cup chia seeds, put them in the cup here, in the container. I love mason jars because they're super easy to take on the go, so you don't have to go buy stuff. Cashew milk, and I prefer cashew milk over almond milk because it doesn't have much calcium, because calcium prevents the absorption of iron. 1 cup and 1/3 of milk in here, and just pour it into your chia seeds. You want to stir them really well. They will bulk up. And then, like I said, so we're gonna accessorize with some vanilla. I'm gonna put stevia, and this is a stevia extract. And look how tiny this spoon is. This is a serving. And then cinnamon, if you do use sugar, you can use cinnamon to balance the sugar release. I just like it for the flavor. I think it's really nice here. I'm gonna put pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. And us professionals will measure it like this with our hearts. Just stir it in. Now, you're gonna let it sit. Just scoop them from the bottom so they don't stick. And what you can do is you can just leave this overnight in a jar and it will bulk up, and in the morning you can accessorize with berries. This is how it looks like. I made it earlier this morning. It takes about 15 minutes, and I made it thicker. It's like a pudding type of texture. If you add a little bit more milk, it will be smoother and softer. But just like with any outfit, it really comes down to your personal preferences. So what I'm going to do is I will accessorize mine with this purely Elizabeth granola. And then I will accessorize with goji berries. And this is just a fancy little dry berry, but it has a cool color and a lot of antioxidants. And then I love, love, love blueberries and raspberries. And check this out, see? Breakfast is done, but it's like the world is your oyster. No, the world is your chia pudding. You can do anything you want. You can make it as fun, and you can add cacao, whatever you want. So try that and see how you feel. And you might not have that afternoon energy slump, and you might feel more energetic when you're presenting and when you're working. So let me know how you like it, and also let me know if you want to see other Z tips on how to boost your productivity and get your energy level up. Thank you for joining me for brunch today and for the cooking demo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have comments for future recipes, requests, or restaurants, comment below. Also, for future videos, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notifications when you have new videos. Just don't be surprised that you start salivating like the Pavlov dogs, because when you're gonna see my videos, there will be some salivation because this food is awesome. I'm gonna dig in and I look forward to doing more videos for you guys. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for future recipes. Cheers to your health. Bye.